Hey, this is Ryan, and in our next video, we're going to add on to our EC2 instance. So going back to Will's article, we're going to make a application load balancer. So basically, we're just going to make a second EC2 instance. Let's say, for example, we stopped our EC2 instance. Each time we restart the instance, it's going to give us a new URL, which we don't want. We want the same URL each time. So if we did use an elastic IP, that would work for one instance. But if we had two, that'll be a problem. We're going to have two different URLs, so we don't want that. And the way we can solve that is if we use an application load balancer. If we use that, we're going to have a static host name. All right, so this is what we're aiming for. We have two subnets, a server in each subnet, one security group, and this is our load balancer. Okay, so we have a new template. Let's check out the GitHub. So copy that. Make a new YAML file. All right, so we're just going to update our last file. We're not gonna delete this old one. And let's find the differences here. Okay, so we got our subnets, subnet A and B. We have our EC2 instance 1 and 2. Here's our security group. Here's our load balancer. Okay, that's it. As always, upload it to S3. I got it under alb.yaml. Here's our URL. Okay, going back to Cloud Shell. We want to do an update instead of a create. So let's go here. I think we'll do update-stack, same stack name. Template URL, we want to make a new URL. S3, copy, paste. Still have our parameter. I think that's all we need here. So let's just press enter. Okay, stack ID, no error. Going back to CloudFormation, refresh, and it shows update. So that's a good thing. Still have the same stack name, so we did that correctly. And again, this will probably take another minute or two. Let's just press refresh. Okay, so we have two servers now, EC2 and EC2 website A. Okay, A and B. So I guess for this old server, might have to delete that. Okay, so from our templates, I guess we renamed our EC2 instances to be website A and website B. So I don't need this one. This is our old one. Let's just do actions for instance state and stop. Okay, so we don't need that. We do need these two. This is initializing, so we'll give that a minute. Okay, finally, both of our instances are ready. So let's go back to the shell. Like last time, we can do describe stack, and let's see if we can get a, okay, so here is our new URL. Let's copy that, paste it here. And here we go. Okay, so each time you refresh it, it shows a different server. So it's going back and forth between each server. And so that's okay, that's what we want. All right, let's test it. So you choose file, upload our Excel file, and we uploaded it, but it shows no file chosen. And what Will says here is that I guess every time we upload our file, it it's uploaded locally to one instance, but not the other. And that's a problem. So I think the way around that is if we had our user upload the file to an S3 bucket, and that way we could have each server pull from that bucket if needed. And I think that should be how you get around the problem. But for now in this video, that's all I wanted to show. So in the next video, I will cover Terraform.